Alapros is a professional company offering integrated solutions in grain milling processing technologies through the machines it manufactures and the factories it builds. It was founded by Mehmet Alapos and Semi Alapos and includes an experienced team of design, automation, flour milling machine and equipment production and technical experienced people who share a passion for helping people in milling industry. Alapros designs all its products, services, and processes with the aim of global leadership, and its brand is the signature of an experienced team believing that innovation is more than just a word and living by the passion to innovate and produce. Our factory, the place where the aim of all Alapros branded equipment to become the highest quality products in the industry comes true, is located at the Coram Organized Industry Zone, which is the global production base in the area of cereal processing technologies. In the factory, where the perfect process design is achieved, we make production by using ultra-high manufacturing technologies, and through our expert workforce, who embrace quality as a lifestyle. It offers products and services from the custom development and manufacturing of flour milling machines and equipment with integrated solutions, such as design, diagram, automation, and commissioning. Today, we manufacture competitive products in our Industry 4.0 suitable factory, with our expert workforce striving for perfection and our R&D first manufacturing management approach. Thanks for watching.